Push-up bars or handles are products which must be included with your home gym accessories without any doubt, and they maximize the intensity of your workout. These bars help to engage more body muscles than ever, which is very important in your regular workout routine. The more body muscle you engage, the more benefits you can have. These help to improve body posture and particularly work to align hands and wrist in one line. There are tons of push-up bars you can find in the market, but some of them work perfectly. To make your search easier, in today's video, we have rounded up the 5 best push-up bars to make your exercise effective and comfortable. So let's check them out.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
The regular push-up is quite challenging, so the JFIT Pro Push-Up Bar Stand makes it easier for the gymnast, and it is a great option for advanced and intermediate training. This stand sits higher to ensure deeper range of motion when you are performing the exercise. It is made with chrome-plated metal that makes your heavy-duty routine exercise more effective than ever, meanwhile improving your whole body posture. The handles are covered with comfortable foam which works to provide a secure grip. It also has anti-slip feet which prevent unwanted sliding during workouts. These bars are much easier to handle as well. The JFIT Pro Push-Up Bar Stand is a customer favorite product on Amazon as it is simple to set up and also very sturdy plus durable. But then again, a few users said that this product could be better. Let's take a look at the ratings now. We give it 5 out of 5 stars on user acceptance and value. On the other hand, in terms of price, it gets 4 stars only. If you are into gymnastics and are looking for an equipment which will help you with heavy chest training at your home gym, the Juperbsky push-up stands might be the right option for you. These stands are perfect for the improvement of your upper body workout. Your gymnastic training will be easier because the push-up stands are designed with reasonable size so you can take them anywhere. Plus, the product is travel-friendly. It has TPR handle covers that makes your experience soft and comfortable while using. It is manufactured with durable steel construction that can take up to 2,200 pounds of weight, particularly it is sturdy enough. The base of the bars is wide and also contains non-slip caps in each end for stability. According to users, the Juperbsky push-up stands is a great workout product as it is perfect for chest workout and very durable and well built. But besides that, some users were not satisfied with their purchase. It's time to check out the ratings now. When it comes to acceptance and value, we gladly give it 5 stars. But in case of price, it'll get 4 stars. If you're looking for a pair of stylish push-up bars, then the Cap Barbell pair of push-up bars is here for you, which offers a productive workout with its super portable design. This pair of bars looks super spectacular as they are manufactured with a chrome plate and specially designed to target the chest, shoulder, and muscle area. It also has slip-resistant rubber foot pads that cover the handles and lets you enjoy a comfortable grip. These bars are specially designed to improve your posture for a push-up, additionally reduce stress on your wrist, hands, and elbow parts. Its attractive design adds shine and professional touch to your home gym setup. The Cap Barbell pair of push-up bars has earned the trust of many users as it is a good quality product and comes at a great price. But some of the users complained that it didn't work on all surfaces. Time to rate this product now. In terms of value and price, it easily gets 5 stars. But when it comes to acceptance, we'll give it 4 stars. Moving on to the next product. It's the Power Press Push-Up, which offers a complete training system for beginners with its innovative push-up board. It guides you to the proper form and posture as it is designed with various slots, and its color-coded push-up positions let you have an extreme result. All you need to do is plug and press the handle on the board, plus it is manufactured for 300 pounds user capacity. While engaging your whole body parts, it works to strengthen your chest, shoulders, and also biceps. It includes bonus items like a 10-week workout calendar, which will help you to carry out a fruitful workout session while burning calories. The Power Press Push-Up pleasantly surprised its users as it teaches perfect posture and also ensures the best upper body workout ever. But a few users think that this product is not worthy enough. Let's check out the ratings now. We gladly give this product 5 out of 5 stars because of its effectiveness and value, but it is a little bit pricey, so it gets 4 stars on that. The Perfect Fitness Perfect Push-Up Elite is our top pick for today's video, which will help you to take your exercise to the next level with its rotating feature. This pair of push-up bars comes with a steel ball-bearing system that ensures smooth rotation. It especially helps to improve muscle activation, meanwhile increase strength in abs, chest, and other body parts. You can also get perfect V2 push-up at your home gym with this pair of push-up handles. The weight vest is featured to take up to 400 pounds of weight. These handles are comfortable to use and help to remove joint strains in your wrist and elbows. The Perfect Fitness Perfect Push-Up Elite has earned many positive reviews on Amazon as it helps with push-up quite well, and users were surprised with its great quality. But a few of them didn't like the product. Let's jump into the ratings now. We absolutely love the quality of this device, and it comes at an affordable price, so overall, we'll give it 5 out of 5 stars. So that was all about the 5 best push-up bars. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos, and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.